Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to get money off an HSA card. This video will walk you through the steps, so watch till the end to learn more. Here's how you can withdraw money from an HSA. First, visit an ATM close to you. Once you're at the ATM, insert your HSA debit card into the ATM slot and enter your personal identification number PIN. If you don't have a PIN, call the HSA service provider at 1-866-898-9795 to set it up. After entering your PIN, select the withdrawal option on the ATM menu and ensure to choose the checking account option when asked for the account you wish to withdraw from. Then, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select Confirm. Alternatively, you can visit the nearest HSA bank or the bank you currently use and perform a cash advance. You won't incur any fee for cash advances at an HSA bank, but completing them at other banks may result in some fees. It's important to note that HSA funds cannot be used for qualified expenses incurred before you set up your HSA account. Additionally, withdrawing HSA funds for non-qualified medical expenses will attract tax implications and penalties if you're under 65 years old. So, that's it. Getting money off your HSA card is just that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.